Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Oh wow, I've just finished running for a train because of this person here. Like, her timing is just so off.
But just so on time.
No, just so off. I've not ran for a train since I think my university days. That's how bad it was. Like, you can see I'm sweating, guys. So basically, Maria was supposed to, we were supposed to meet at 7 o'clock, but Maria was half an hour late, and then the Hammersmith and City line decided to suspend itself. So therefore, we had to make alternative routes and to London Euston Station. And yeah, but anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting the gang. But yeah, so today guys, we are on our way to, where are we going?
Liverpool.
So Maria's going up to Liverpool to look for accommodations because she's starting her
apprenticeship.
Yay! So yeah, so she got an apprenticeship with a really good firm, a really good law firm, one of the top firms in the country or in the world, right? Should I say? So yeah, I'm super proud of her. She did a really good job. So yeah, so we're just gonna go up and look for accommodations to where she will be living and all that sort of stuff. So yes guys, it's a 2 hour 14 minutes, isn't it? 2 hour 14 minutes on the train from London to Liverpool, and then we've got our first viewing at 12:15. There you go. So we arrive at Liverpool at 11:15, so we've got about a good hour just to sort of get things. But yes guys, anyway, stay tuned and yeah, keep watching. Ciao for now. I'm hungry. I didn't have any breakfast this morning.
I don't like pret a manger that much.
Pret a manger?
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's called pret, but pret a manger. It's French.
Ooh.
But I don't know if you can see me guys. We're 1 hour into the train journey, another hour and 15 minutes to go. I'm so tired, I'm hungry. Didn't get a chance to get breakfast because this one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait till we get to Liverpool to get some food. But yeah, what else? I'm just gonna take a quick nap and then yeah, see you when we get to Liverpool. Doodles. Guys, we are at Liverpool station. Yes, I am starving. I actually want to get some food to eat. People are just watching me vlogging, but yeah. So we're at Liverpool and yeah, what do you think of the station?
It's really nice. I mean, it's a station, but yeah, it's a nice one.
Excited?
Yeah. Is it weird? But I'm trying to like listen out for the accents.
How's the sat nav going?
That was a close one.
Not watching where you're going. So guys, we have reached Liverpool and it's a very busy city centre. But we're walking to our first appointment actually, getting a bit of our 10,000 steps in. So it's a 15-minute walk, and the weather's nice as well. If it was raining, they probably would have taken a. I checked the weather before. But yeah, oh, look at this babe with Ganamos go bags. But yeah guys, nice weather, it's calm, and this guy's watching me. I don't know if vlogging is something that they're familiar with, but yeah. What's this? This is Grand Central. Look at this. She's so disorganized. It's actually hot, and she's getting hot. Disorganization.
The true was 175 per week.
Okay, so this is the bathroom. Oh, this is so cute!
Mexico's carpet. Sorry, I'll just get out. Oh, I like the fact that the kitchen's here. I do. So it's like away from the bed.
Yeah, it's nice. It's cute. Oh,
lovely. And electric hobs.
So that wall, this parting wall creates.
Yeah.
And then you've got your little diner.
And I get a whole fridge and freezer too. Oh, this is a nice space.
And you've got a mirror as well. You've got desk for your desk area. I like the high windows. The high ceiling windows. So guys, it has a gym. So you've got a treadmill, you've got a cross runner, you've got some bikes. You even got some weights as well. So yeah, it's quite, you know, a decent size gym for students. This is it. This is a really nice. This gym is. It reminds me of like a hotel gym. I think there's even some gyms that they've even got a separate gymnasium. Ah, they've got oh wow, guys. Wow. So who picks like the movie?
Oh God, it's getting cold. It's gone warm today, hasn't it?
Is there like any like communal areas or like a gym or anything?
No, nothing like that one. Nothing. There's area office where you do your washing, where you've just been.
Yeah.
Oh, in there, like there's a
We've had 3 viewings, so no, we've viewed 4 apartments.
Yeah, but it's like 2.
4 apartments, and what do you think?
I loved the first one we went to. That was a really nice studio. Second one we've just gone to. Jesus is Lord.
Yeah, like literally viewing number 4, guys, like a real hole. Yeah, that is it. But we're in the Uber now. We've got another appointment at 3 o'clock, so hopefully that apartment looks nice. But I think, you know, you've got the best one so far, so Yeah, viewing 1, I think that's her best one. The most expensive one though, isn't it? But I think it's worth it.
Definitely.
But yes guys, just in the Uber. I just want to sleep. It's actually quite warm and I'm wearing like a knitwear sort of outfit because it was cold in London this morning. But yeah, we've got 2 more viewings and we'll be done. Stay tuned guys. We in Liverpool. Let me try even do a Liverpool accent. We're in Liverpool.
No, it's like scouse, like so do
Scouse.
like say like cook and book.
Cook?
Like, cook and book. So
Cook and book?
Cook.
That sounds like you're adding a bit of French to it, like cook and book.
No, cook and not the greatest of accents.
Anyway guys, looks like we've pulled up to our next viewing. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Yep, thank you. Okay, thank you.
So this is one of the larger ones. These are the units that are 140 a week.
Ah, yes, nice.
This is cute. I'm loving the windows.
Yeah, I like the sort of white sort of, it gives it like a blanco sort of effect. Let's see the bathroom. Oh, the shower's nice actually.
Yeah, this is the one with like a like the most.
From there, and then you can plug
Oh,
whatever
so it's like a projector.
project it, yeah. So the security guys will help you out with that if you have a bucket.
And then could you just book it for like yourself and your friends and all that sort of
Yeah,
stuff?
totally. So if you want to have like friends around or whatever, you can have it for like the evening.
Cool stuff. Maria's gonna decide where she wants to stay. We are now at a restaurant called, I'll just show you guys the menu. You can read it, but this is where we are. And Trattoria 51. I'm just gonna get some pasta, so it's an Italian restaurant. And then our train's at 6:47, so we've got about an hour and a half left. Hiya! Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, you know the linguine 51?
Yes,
Does it come in a cream sauce? What does it come in?
it's coming with the white sauce. It's just
Wow, look at Maria's drink.
Always up for it to be frozen.
That looks really nice. I should have got this. Too bad I forgot to snap the food before eating it, but I'll taste the food. And then we've got Sex on the Beach. Maria, what are you eating?
Penne bolognese with some Parmesan cheese.
And then what cocktail have you got there?
Strawberry daiquiri frozen.
Pasta's quite nice actually. So yeah, we're gonna have this.
Carbonara sauce.
No, this is not carbonara sauce. I think it's just some sort of like white sauce. I don't know. But yeah, it's nice. It's got courgettes in it as well. But yes guys, so we're just gonna eat this and then get ready to make our way back to London. And that is a day out in Liverpool done. So stay tuned and I'll catch y'all later. Bye. Oh, it's a Scouser thing.
Which one do you side with?
Who's the closest way? Use them probably.
West Ham. Yeah.
That'll be amazing. That you'll want to see that it's fun, like brand new stadium.
Oh, we're at the station.
There we go, girls.
Back to London we go.
We'll be back in 2.5 weeks.
Yeah, probably. You might get me again, love.
Guys, back to London we go. What have you got to say about Liverpool?
It's a lovely city. We had a lovely day today and can't wait to be back in the next 3 weeks.
Cool stuff. Right guys, our time in Liverpool has ended. We're back on the train now and we're off to London. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here as it is a day out in Liverpool. So thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned on Trips with Debs. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and do comment below. If you are a student, do share with me your experience in the comments below.
Especially if you've gone to Liverpool.
And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.